Hey everybody, Dr. Ware checking in from University Animal Hospital. As it's starting to heat up here in Phoenix, we're certainly starting to see more heat-related injuries to dogs. And actually it's interesting because a lot of times we don't actually see a lot of the heat-related injuries in the midsummer because people are really aware that it's 115 degrees outside. And it kind of registers with them that it's probably not a good idea to be outside and exercising their pets. But this time of year is really when we see most of the dogs coming in for heat exhaustion and heat stroke because of, people don't think that, oh my gosh, it's only, 90 degrees outside, which is very, very hot. And it doesn't take dogs a long time to become overheated. And actually, we just had an in-house continuing education on heat stroke in dogs and kind of what to look for. So some of the signs that we always look for in dogs, excessive panting, excessive drooling. Sometimes they can become like stuporous, meaning become really, really lethargic. If you look at their gums, sometimes they can be like a little discolored, maybe even a little muddy colored. Or they can have these little bruisings, they're called petechia, so little bruises on their gums or even their belly. So those are always a big sign that your pet needs to come in ASAP. Because heat stroke is really a critical thing. It really is a systemic inflammatory condition that occurs as the heat damages the cells. So I think the most important thing is to recognize the signs and then get them into the veterinarian as soon as possible so that we can provide proper cooling and proper supportive care for the actual patient. And just remember that dogs need to become acclimated to the heat itself. I came from Ohio and brought my, my whole crew in, and, I didn't even realize a decade ago that, my dog's not used to that sort of heat. So, when it's 85 degrees outside or 90 degrees, they were very, very sensitive to that heat process. So it's always something you need to kind of be aware of. The dogs that are acclimated here and have been here their whole lives, they're kind of used to that process, but dogs moving in here are really sensitive to it. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 480-968-9275. Thanks for tuning in.